Okay, so quick troubleshooting steps if you have no power to the outlets after plugging in the docking drawer. First thing obviously is to verify that the outlet the docking drawer is plugged into has power. You can do that by plugging a blow dryer or something into it or using a multimeter. So the first step is to press the reset button. So the reset button is this little plastic button in the center. You're just going to want to press on it hard and release. If you hear or feel a little click, that's probably it. This is the thermostat, which trips when the temperature reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So first push on that. If you feel or hear a little click, then test the outlets and see if that did it. If that did not restore the power, then remove the cover plate screws. It doesn't matter whether it's a docking drawer duo or single, it's the same process. Remove the cover plate screws and just remove the cover plate. Now check the outlets again. Sometimes if this button is misaligned, actually it's the cover plate that's misaligned, and it's pressing down on the reset button, that will interrupt the power. So if you remove the cover plate and now you have power, it's because the cover plate is misaligned and it's pressing on this button. The way to fix that is to loosen these screws here on the outlets. So the cover plate is actually attached to the little threaded holes on the outlets themselves. So if it's misaligned, you just want to loosen these a little bit, and you can move this outlet around until this hole is centered right over the reset button. The other thing you want to do when the cover plate is removed is press really hard on this reset button. You won't break it. Sometimes the reset button is not fully seated on the thermostat below it, so if you press really hard, you might feel it snap into place. That also can cause this problem. So those are the three things to do and check if you have no power at the outlets.